Why should you worry about focusing on bringing more clients and more business in before anything else, before actually setting up all of your systems, all of your, setting up an LLC and making your business official and all that? Because there's a misconception among photographers sometimes that you need to have everything ready before you can actually go be a photographer and get, charge money for that. Oh, I'm gonna start my own LLC and then my business will happen. Actually, it's the other way around usually. So I want you to start bringing business in and actually making sure that you can charge money for what you do and people are willing to pay before you go do and invest time and money into setting your actual official business up, right? So why would you need to do that? First of all, like I said, it's proof of concept. So to make sure that there's actually somebody who is willing to pay for your photography and you're actually good at it. Number two, when you get your first paying client, it's like a boost of confidence because you will feel like, ooh, okay, people are actually willing to pay me money for what I do, no matter what everybody says, no matter what my husband says, what my mom says. So number three, so once you actually start having paying clients, you will get some cash in, right? But be smart about it because you can actually pay yourself and cover the expenses in your business, but also you can reinvest in your business to make it grow even faster. So that's very important. Number four, you will actually know if this is something you would like to do. Sometimes when you go into photography business, it seems it's just like, oh, it's just fun. So when you do it for free versus when you do paid client, it's a completely different situation. Because when you do it for free, like you don't have that responsibility. And in the beginning, it's just like, oh, fun. Oh, this is like a fun side gig, but it's actually hard work too. And a lot of people don't realize that. So once you have your first like 10, 15 paying clients, you will actually know if this is something you really want to keep doing, okay? Go get those first clients first before actually building your business up. And number five, once you start finding your first paying clients, this is actually the first step to turning your passion into profits and the first step to getting fully booked and starting making at least $5,000 a month as a photographer.